Welcome to Moo Moo Math and Science. In this video, let's go over how to simplify square root 2700. And step one is we need to identify all of the prime numbers that multiply together to equal 2700. And I like to use a factor tree. I know that 100 goes into 2700 27 times, and then 100 will be 4 times 25. And then 4 is 2 times 2, so I have two prime numbers here. And 25 is 5 times 5, so I have prime numbers here. Now 27 is just 3 times 9. Here's a prime number. And then 3 times 3. And we have two prime numbers there. So now we're down to primes. So what we do next is let's go ahead and write these prime numbers underneath a square root sign. And we're looking for pairs, but let's first write them under there. So we have a 2 and a 2, and then it looks like we have two 5s, and it looks like we have three 3s. Okay, so now what I do is I look for pairs because it's a square root, and a square root of two numbers multiplied together. So I'm going to pull out pairs. So there's a pair of 2s, a pair of 5s, and a pair of 3s. And it looks like we have a 3 still under the sign because we can't just pull out a single digit because it's a square root. So then I just multiply these numbers together. 5 times 2 is 10, and then 10 times 3 is 30, square root 3. So there it is, simplified. I hope that was helpful.